wicked smell. It's time to finally test the Studio Otesei Ultimate Archery Thumb Rings and finally go from this tab to one of these. Okay, so after months of research on all the different types of archery rings there are, from Korean to Ottoman to Chinese, Ming Dynasty, like all these different cultures, Mongolians, all the different draw styles and everything, we came up with two models for the Studio Otesei Ultimate Thumb Rings. One is called the Rabbit, and this is just strictly for thumb draws, like a quick release design here, and you just put the string in, put on the grip that you want, whether it's Ottoman, Mongolian, whatever, pull back and fire. Its big brother is the Ox, which is a little bit more I guess elaborate. I don't know if we can get like a steep release for a quick release, and same idea. You just grab, pull back, snap out, release. But it does have some unique features, and one of them is that it also allows for a Mediterranean release. Once you get to a certain draw weight in your bow, the thumb draws can put a lot of strain on your thumbs, but we still like the idea of using a ring, right? So if you are using a bow where you feel like the draw weight is too strong for your thumb, you can just take the ring from your thumb, put it in the right configuration, put on your middle finger, and you can use it in the Mediterranean style. This is totally functional. Nothing here is done for design except the brand on the front. But anyway, the string sits here, and the first spur on the top, as you can see, sandwiches the arrow. This is a 60-pound bow, but you can totally pull with this ring, no problem. It just feels good, it feels secure. So the other spur, the second spur, is actually for the Mediterranean grip, and it's very much like a finger tab. The arrow string, or the string, goes in here, and this spur acts as a shelf for the arrow. And this one I find really strong, and I've never seen it in an archery ring before. This is, I'm pretty sure, a totally original design, and it just feels really good. So like, let's say your thumb is hurting and you still want to keep shooting, you could just flip the ring over and shoot Mediterranean style, no problem. It's the same thing with the Rabbit. Boom, place the string inside here. I kind of prefer like a Mongolian grip with two fingers over my thumb. Okay. Yeah, so this is a 60-pound bow, so it is a little harder, but it's totally possible with both the Rabbit and the Ox. I think it's nice to have a big ring like this that can actually act as a knuckle, a wooden knuckle if you will, as opposed to a brass knuckle. It feels really good. You can really grip it with all your fingers, and it's multi-purpose. And if you don't like this grip, flip it around and you have something that's even more familiar. You can order one at archeryring.com, and we absolutely cannot wait to hear from you and design it to your liking.